Hello friends, today we are going to learn French knot or a second part of the French knot, also called Bullion knot. For Bullion knot, we have to start from a point. When we take out a needle from a point, our thread is coming out after taking some specific distance or the point how much we want the stitch, and then we are going to remove our needle half from the opposite side, and we are going to put the knots on this. You have to put the knots as much this space can be occupied by this knot. Slowly twisting the needle, take out the needle out, slowly twist the needle. Pull the thread very softly. After adjusting all the threads properly in a proper manner, put the needle down for each side the thread is there and lock the stitch. This is how we do. It is also seen that many of them go with a mistake. They start doing the stitch from the point they had removed the thread and put it in the very next to it and remove the needle from the same side, from the opposite side, and put the knots. But when we put this knot, this extra thread is there. This thread makes a mistake over here. I will show you. After taking this, finally when I complete my stitch, I can see a extra thread overlapping on my stitch. See here, this is the extra thread which is overlapping on my stitch, whereas I should get this way a very soft and plain stitch. So this is the wrong way. Better take in mind, we have to put the stitch a little bit further or in the opposite direction. Now we are going to do with a flower. For a rose, we have to first begin with the French knot. Our regular French knot, we can take 3 to 4 French knots at the center of the flower. Or if you want, you can simply start with a very small bullion knot also, but French knot goes a bit easier. I had took 3 French knots in the center. After that, very close to it, I am going to start with the bullion knots. I am going to take the stitch very closely. After that, again I will tell you, I am not supposed to do the mistake. I am going to take the thread from the other side and take it back to the side where the thread was outside, or from the to the thread side. I am going to take a little extra knots on the needle so that I can give a slight curve to my stitch. Very carefully we have to take the stitch. And slowly I got a little mistake over here. Anyways, it gets covered again in the another direction, making a circle. I will take again joining to the French knot. I will start with my stitch over here, and again I will take the from the opposite side. Again I will take the stitch. Two to three strands extra we can take. Very slowly while taking a twist to the needle, we have to take the stitch. And now I am taking the third stitch from these two sides. So this is my inner part completed. In this manner I complete my inner part. Now I can change the thread and I can take another color, or again I can take with the same color to the outer part. We can take any number of layers we want. Now I am taking another color. Again I will take from the center of these two stitches, I will take the next stitch. Then I will again secure it. Now I will start with this corner point. Now the another two ones. This is how we can make a rose. Thank you.